Sit down.
Four heads, take one. Eat it. Oh, we're some evil parents. Eat it, Jaden. Jaden, you don't like your candy? Eat it, Jay. It'll get better. Go ahead, Anthony. Eat it. It'll get better. Keep going. Look at it again, Jaden. It's sweeter. No. Go ahead, Jaden. One more time.
You have to put it in your mouth and leave it in your mouth.
Put the whole thing in your mouth, Jaden.
Close your mouth.
What about you? Okay, I think that's enough. That's pretty funny.
Eat it, Anthony.
Okay, let's actually give this some candy.
Jay.
That's enough. Give me that. Let it go. Let it go. You want it? You want to keep it?
Yeah.
Give me that candy, Anthony. Give me the candy. Put the candy in there. You too. Put the candy in there.
No.